Today we're going to look at something cool. I built a CRM that builds itself using AI. Now, most people know what CRM stands for, but if you don't, yep, it means Cat Relationship Management. And that looks something like this. When a cat is preparing to go to a rescue organization, it first needs to go through a vetting process. What's the age and gender? Is it up to date on its vaccinations? Do we know its medical history? Stuff like that. All of this information must be gathered and any discrepancies resolved before it can be put up for adoption. This information is exchanged through email and usually takes a few cycles and a couple days to complete. And because they're dealing with several cases at a time, emails are flying back and forth. They have to constantly update their records as they go and check what else is needed. It can be overwhelming for the volunteers. But what if they had an AI tool to collect all the information, organize it, validate it, and help follow up when it detects that something is missing? Why, that would be cat-tastic! Here's how it works. The intake team has a mailing list which routes emails to all members that manage this process. Once they add my special email to that list, everything starts working. When a new email arrives, the AI gets to work. The case contains key details like a name, type, and a description. The email is read and understood as a surrender case because AI can interpret it based on the context. It finds one cat and captures the information, name, age, even inferring male and female from he and she. It finds another cat is mentioned, so it automatically creates another entry and captures that data separately, but it also knows when some details apply to both. This is powerful for two reasons. First, it's extracting critical information from unstructured data, and second, it's making intelligent inferences that go beyond what's explicitly stated. This is a capability that's very new. It wasn't possible before. That means we now have a solution to a lot of old problems out there that used to be infeasible. In the past, we had to send out lengthy forms and have someone fill out every field one by one. Street address, city, state, zip code, all separate fields. Every data point had to be explicit and predefined with no flexibility. But now, AI can read between the lines, interpreting and inferring like a person does, making the process more flexible, more adaptable, and more human. After the information is converted into a structured format, it can be moved into your other systems. Your CRMs, your databases, your project management tools, wherever you want that data to go. Here it is in action. Once I send out the email, the AI tool picks it up and starts processing. It took about 30 seconds to process, and it created separate entities for case, cats, and contacts just from a single email. The information has been captured and organized, and now the rescue organization has a much clearer picture of what's going on. And the best part is, they didn't have to do anything differently. They went about their work the exact same way as before, and their new tracking system built itself on its own. Now, this isn't just for cats. I designed this solution for any business that gets bogged down by repetitive, email-driven tasks. You got emails, and you got systems where that information needs to go. So why not connect the two? If you're ready to streamline your operations and build a custom solution that works exactly the way you need it to, let's figure it out together.